first step will be prepping, rubbing this with rubbing alcohol, 5900. Allow it to dry. Now you're going to go ahead and wipe the edges with promoter. We provided it in a little packet. You'll open it up and there'll be a sponge inside. And you wipe that down. Let that dry. What you're going to want to do is pull the red release liner and you're going to line it up to this perimeter edge. It's pretty simple. You just kind of hold it with your hands, lining the bottom up flat. You can kind of see how it's lined up everywhere. And then just stick it really good. Peel the release liner, clear. And then we're gonna do the other side on the inside. Same step on the back side. You're gonna line it up with these edges here. And you start in from the top, go all the way up, line the edges up, and stick. And then you were provided little chrome caps with butyl putty. We're gonna put those on as well. And the butyl putty, just push this on here.